Hey guys! Braised chicken with peas and potatoes is simple yet delicious comfort food. It's fork tender chicken and potatoes simmered in a rich gravy. Serve it over some steamed rice and you have yourself a warm, hearty meal. So let's get started.
So today we're using 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs sliced in half. I actually never used to like chicken thighs and only use chicken breasts when cooking, but I found that if you cook them right and use them in certain different recipes, they can come out so tender and delicious. So I guess I've converted. What do you guys prefer, chicken thighs or chicken breasts? Let me know in the comments below. Dredge each piece of chicken in a 1/2 cup of flour. This is going to help form a nice crust when we sear the chicken. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat and sear the chicken on both sides. You want to just make sure the chicken is browned but not cooked through. It'll finish cooking in the sauce. Remove chicken and set aside. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in the pan. Add 1 diced onion and 4 minced garlic cloves. Sauté until softened, about 2 to 3 minutes. This is going to give lots of good flavor to our sauce. Stir in 2 cups of water. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder. I'll leave the one I use in the link below. And 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. If you prefer to use any other herbs, by all means, go ahead and add them right in. Oh, can't forget to add a little pepper. Return the chicken thighs back to the pan. Braising basically means searing it on high and then simmering it in a lower temperature until it's nice and tender. Add 1 large potato, peeled and cut into chunks. A lot of Filipino cooking, which I grew up on, involves some sort of braising of meat, whether it's chicken, pork, or beef, along with some sort of vegetable. I just remember there was always something delicious simmering over the stove. Cover and cook over medium-low heat for 20 minutes. Make sure to stir, give it a taste, and check your seasonings midway through. It's coming along perfectly. 5 minutes before it's done cooking, gently stir in 1 cup of frozen peas. And here's my dog Jasper, patiently waiting as I cook and hoping to have some of this delicious food. All right, 5 minutes has passed and check this out. Look how yummy this looks. Be sure to make lots of steamed rice to soak up this delicious sauce. You guys are gonna love this one. It's hearty, warm, and comforting. And as always, I have the full written recipe for you in the description below. Gotta just have a little more of that fresh cracked black pepper. And look how tender this is. Just melts in your mouth.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. If you guys love this chicken recipe, I have a ton of other recipes on chicken that I know you'll love. Go ahead and check them out, and I'll see you on the next cooking video. Thanks for watching.